Hello friends, today we are going to see the importance of folic acid and what happens when we are folic acid deficient. So folic acid is a water soluble vitamin and important for our day-to-day life. If we are deficient in folic acid, so it leads to anemia, one major problem in India. It leads to first trimester abortions. It leads to neurological deficit to the baby, like neural tube defects, spina bifida, and in pregnancy it may cause preterm labor. It may cause abruptio placenta, like bleeding during pregnancy. So overall, to avoid pregnancy complications, it is recommended that you should take folic acid 3 months before, like before conception. For 3 months you have to take folic acid daily. How much? So 400 microgram folic acid per day is recommended intake of folic acid in our diet. And also it may lead to infertility, inability to reproduce. Major cause is considered it as a folic acid deficiency. What other? So folic acid deficiency, it has been considered as a major cause of cardiovascular diseases, like sudden heart attacks are coming, so it is a main cause. And other like cancer, in some cancer also it is a main cause, causative agents like colon cancer, and also the neurological developments. So these are the complications, bad effects of folic acid deficiency, and it is majorly seen in vegetarian diet. So you have to improve your diet with folic acid rich food, because in our routine diet it is not available to that extent. So forcefully you have to take this diet. And also on each birthday you check your folic acid, your hemoglobin, your sugar, and give gift to yourself, that your health. If it is less, consult your doctor and take active folic acid, and keep your folic acid at normal level. In Indian population, it is also seen that problem is not with the folic acid, but also the genetic factor is also genetic factor is also a causative agent. The folic acid gene is defective, or it is not present in some most of the population. That's why we need active folic acid. It has been seen in some studies. So let's see what are the folic acid rich foods. So first is our lentils, dal, moong dal, black gram, Bengal gram, green dal. All this dal we can take it as a soup, dal, or dosas, or along with sprouts also we can take. Next is chana or chickpeas, then black ice grams, lobia. These are also rich in folic acid. Then is sesame, til. This is, we can prepare it as a laddu, or on the salad, or in sabji we can use this. Then green leafy vegetables, spinach, methi, and other green leafy vegetables. Then cruciferous, some vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. These are rich in folic acid. Then lady's finger is very rich in folic acid. Then peanut, then whole grains, and also processed whole grains like poha, upma. Then citrus fruits and juices like lemon, then gooseberry, orange, sweet lime, orange. All these are citrus fruit which are rich in folic acid. And last 10th number is the sunflower seed, that is rich in folic acid. That seeds you can fry and take, or you can make a chutney also from the sunflower seeds. And remember, first I thought what, like folic acid is water soluble vitamin, so how you cook is also important. If you cook or boil for more time, or that vapors are going out, then that is wasted. That folic acid is wasted in all these things. So you, and also during washing also, if you wash these vegetables and all thoroughly or too much, then these water soluble vitamins, they are washed off. So don't wash much, cook or boil at lesser time, and keep it covered. So if you follow all these things, you will not be folic acid deficient, and check it regularly even if you are corrected. So if you like this video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.